Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add your PayPal Mastercard to your Amazon account. Although Amazon doesn't accept PayPal directly at checkout, you can still use your PayPal balance by adding your PayPal Cashback Mastercard or PayPal Debit Mastercard as a payment method. Amazon treats these cards like any other Mastercard, allowing you to shop normally while your purchases are funded through your PayPal account, depending on your card type and available balance. Now let's get started. First, make sure you have an active PayPal Mastercard. If you don't have one yet, sign into your PayPal account and apply for the card if it's available in your region. Now open the Amazon website or app and sign into your account. Then go to your account. Next, select your payments or payment options. Here, click Add a credit or debit card. Now enter your PayPal Mastercard details. Type the 16-digit card number. Then enter the expiration date. After that, enter the CVV security code from the back of the card. Now enter the billing address associated with your PayPal card. Then click Add Card or Save. Once the card has been added successfully, you can select it as your payment method during checkout. Now place your order as usual. Then choose your PayPal Mastercard before completing the purchase. Amazon will process the payment just like any other Mastercard transaction. If you don't have a PayPal Mastercard, another option is to purchase an Amazon gift card from a trusted retailer that accepts PayPal. After receiving the gift card code, redeem it in your Amazon account and use your Amazon balance to complete your purchase. Keep in mind that PayPal Credit or Pay in 4 can't be selected directly on Amazon. In some cases, you may be able to use those PayPal payment options when purchasing Amazon gift cards from supported third-party retailers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.